Looking for the easiest way to prepare some lunch or dinner in a matter of 20 minutes? Try out this delicious, flavorful honey garlic chicken, which I've paired with some rosemary pan-fried potatoes, which are also looking very delicious. The meal is perfect, it's very filling, and trust me, you'll be preparing this every single time because it's totally worth it. The best part about the recipe is that you can double up the ingredients or even triple and make for your entire family. To make this delicious, flavorful honey garlic chicken breast recipe, you'll need a few ingredients which are going to be very simple. And this recipe is for 2 people. So grab yourself all those ingredients and let's make this delicious recipe. Over here, I have 2 chicken breasts that I've sliced into strips, and I've already prepped up my potatoes. This is around 6 to 8 medium potatoes that I've cubed into medium sizes so that they can cook fast, because this recipe is going to be very easy and quick to prepare. Moving to my stove top, I'm going to place a non-stick pan over medium heat, and then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Spread your oil in your pan, and then you're going to transfer in your potatoes. You're going to place your potatoes in a single layer so that they can cook fast. And remember, you have sliced your potatoes into small pieces, that is medium pieces, so the potatoes are going to cook very fast. Now, for my honey garlic chicken, over here I have my chicken breast and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to be adding in some black pepper and salt to my bowl. Stir in the salt and black pepper into my flour, and then the next step, I'm going to be coating my chicken breast with my all-purpose flour. So you're going to place another pan over medium-low flame, and then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. And then you're going to add in a teaspoon of cooking oil so that the butter doesn't burn. Now, you're going to pick your chicken breast and coat the chicken breast with the flour. So the flour is going to help the chicken breast while cooking to crispen up on the outside, and also it's going to thicken our sauce. And transfer to your pan. Don't overcrowd your pan because you want the chicken to crispen up. Transfer the rest of the chicken breast into my flour. As I said, for this recipe, I'm going to be using chicken breast. So because chicken breast usually cooks really fast, I'm going to be cooking the chicken for around 2 to 3 minutes on all sides. 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to flip my chicken. And the butter has added in a very nice flavor to my chicken breast already. So I'm going to flip the chicken and cook for another minute. Check on my potatoes. Toss the potatoes, and then you're going to be adding in salt so that you can season your potatoes. Don't overcook your chicken breast because they are not going to be juicy. So after 3 minutes, you're going to remove the chicken breast and transfer to a plate, and then you're going to be adding in your next round of chicken. The chicken breast already look very delicious. So I'm going to cut the rest of the chicken breast and transfer into my pan. Carefully cut the chicken with the seasoned flour. Shake off the excess and transfer to your pan. And because we are multitasking, it's going to be a very fast recipe. And as you can see, the potatoes are getting that crispy edge. You can hear the potatoes are starting to crispen up. So I've been cooking my potatoes for around 5 minutes. So I'm going to cook for another 5 minutes and the potatoes are going to be cooked and very crispy on the outside. Check on my chicken, which is starting to brown. So I'm going to flip. The kitchen is smelling so good. Very delicious. I know this recipe is going to be a hit. When your chicken is done cooking, you're going to transfer to the rest. You can see it has very nice crispy edges and bits. In the same pan that you used to sear your chicken breast, you're going to add in some garlic and saute for around 30 seconds until the garlic is very fragrant and flavorful. Don't drain off the oil that you used to sear your chicken because it has chicken bits and butter. So that is more flavor to your honey garlic chicken. Once you notice that your garlic is browning, just like this, you're going to add in a tablespoon of more butter. Oh yes, this is going to be very delicious. Garlic is one of the key ingredients in this recipe because we're making honey garlic chicken breast. So now it's time to make our sauce using the base of garlic and butter. So I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Two tablespoons of honey. Squeeze in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into the sauce. Stir in the sauce and wow, just look how delicious the sauce is looking. Then you're going to add in a splash of water, that is around a tablespoon of water. Adding the water is going to help the sauce to cook for around 30 seconds. And then you're going to add back your chicken into the pan and coat the chicken breast with the delicious honey garlic sauce. My chicken is also cooking and sipping in all that delicious sauce. So the lemon has added a very nice tartness to the sauce. If you don't have lemon, you can add in some white vinegar. So I'm going to cook the chicken until the sauce has reduced and has coated the chicken breast with the deliciousness. Yes. Also, I'm going to add in a pinch of salt. Remember, I added in light soy sauce, which contains sodium. So you're going to check if your chicken is well seasoned. If it's not well seasoned, you're going to be adding in more salt. Yum, yum, yum. Cook the chicken for around 1 minute as the sauce is thickening up. Check on my potatoes, and this is how the potatoes look like. As you can see, the edges are very crispy. Now that my potatoes are well cooked, I'm going to add in some fresh rosemary straight from my kitchen garden. So I'm going to hold down on the top part of my rosemary and pull out the leaves, and using a kitchen scissors or using a knife, if you don't have a kitchen scissors, you're going to cut your rosemary into the pan. Toss the rosemary together with the potatoes, and nothing is perfect as adding in some rosemary to your potatoes. So I'm going to put out the flames because my potatoes are ready and also my chicken is ready. So I'm going to be garnishing with some coriander. Yum, yum, yum. I'm super excited for this recipe because everything smells very delicious. Stir in the coriander, put out the flames and serve. So this is a very simple and easy way that you can cook your chicken at home. And the best part about the recipe is enjoying the juicy, delicious honey garlic chicken together with the rosemary pan-fried potatoes. So hope you'll be trying out this recipe and yeah, enjoy.